Once again, you all are welcome in my channel. Actually, you all know that in today's scenario, it is very difficult to conduct online classes as well as the online labs. But but still, our teachers are they are very good for conducting an online classes. But still, they are unable to teach the to conduct the online labs. So, few of my subscribers, the teachers, those who are my subscribers, they requested me to make one video how to conduct a labs on virtual labs. So I came across, so I decided to build this video, and hope you like this, and this will help all engineering student as well as BCA and BBA students and MCA as well, to conduct digital electronics lab on virtual platform. So without wasting time, let us start this video. Before starting this, first of all, let me introduce you all with a link which is provided by the Ministry of Human Resource Development under the National Mission of Education through ICT. So here you see there are several labs are already available by the different IITs like IIT Kharagpur, IIT Roorkee, IIT Delhi. So in this I am focusing on the first a very basic demo I will give to you, so that you are able to do the further practicals your own. Although these practicals or this link is very easy. This is a vlab.co.in. Here I will go into first of all digital electronics circuit lab. Here this website is designed so beautifully. Here all the introduction, list of experiments and everything is given to you. So you have to go to the list of the experiment first. See, these are the list of the experiments that is provided to you. This is characteristics of digital logic family, BCD to 7 segment display. So let me go back first and go to this is a digital electronics circuits lab. So but I am interested in let you know the digital logic design lab. Let me check digital logic design lab. This is provided by, yes, this is for computer science and engineering students. And here you will make basic combination and sequential digital circuits of your choice and simulate them. So it consists of introduction, list of experiments. So you have to first of all click on this list of experiment. There are adder circuit, multiplexer, counter, and so many circuits are there. This is DLD labs. So, but for digital electronics, the basic lab for the digital electronics is not this. Let me check the basic electronics lab. The basic electronics lab, it consists of list of experiments. Okay, this is also good. Let us check first of all the few labs, then we will perform the practical on one of it. And there is one more digital electronics lab new by IIT Roorkee. Let us check this list of experiments. Yes, this is the list of experiment which is basically used in MCA, BCA as well as several BTech programs. So first of all, the very basic programs are verification and interpretation of truth table of AND or not NAND gates. So let us start this with this. This is the first so once you click on the experiment, you have your aim to verify and interpret the logic truth table for this. And then pretest procedure, this is just like your when you make your notebook, you have to create it using all these steps. First of all aim, then theory, and then pretest. Pretest is basically sort of quiz for you if you have a basic knowledge of this, because to perform every practical you should have some basic knowledge of your uh, the experiment of the subject. That's why we generally in the class we conduct the lab after the some when some classes of that subjects get on. So in simulation you have to go to the simulation first, and we are going to verify and interpret the truth table of AND gate. So you have to just click on the AND gate. See, this type of circuit is provided to you. This is the AND gate basically. The circuit, internal circuit of the AND gate, I think you know this, and it consisting of two transistor. It is a transistor based AND gate. So what you have to do, you have to first of all connect the battery. How? Just you have to connect the battery. Simple. See, this how you can connect it. You just have to drag and drop here. Once you connect it, you have to do this switch on. Once you switch on, it means this current flows through this wires. But these are the two switches are off, and these transistors are operated in cutoff mode. That's why no output is occur. Means at 0 0 your output is 0. This is a AND gate. For 0 0 it is 0. For 0 1 also it is 0. So when I open 1, then also it is 0, because other one is still it is in cutoff. When you off this and on this, then again it is 0. When you on both, see the output you will get. So it means at 1 1 we have 1. So you can and there is one more simulator provided here, simulator 2. You just go to here and put your results whatever you are getting. Like at 1 1 you get 1. After putting 1 you have to check it, so it is correct. If you put 1 0, and since at 1 0 also it is 0, but if you put 1 and go to check, it shows here incorrect. So this how it is very easy to operate on the digital electronics lab. This is the link verification. So in the same way you can perform OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate. I think it is very easy again. So I will let me do one more, XNOR gate. This is the circuit diagram of XNOR gate. It is little bit tough. So for this you need not to be connect battery. Here it is a power plug is given to you. You just have to on it by clicking it. Once you on it, see, when you on it 0 0, for 0 0 it is 1. So let me do this 1 0 1 0, it is 0. And you understand it with this green color signals from where the current is going on, or the circuit which get conducting when we provided this 1 0. So when we provide 1 1, see, when 1 1, this is the path through which this bulb get on. So I think you understand. And for this also there is two simulator. For XNOR gate, if there is 1 1, if there is, see, when you provide 1 1, it is 1. So I will confirm it by putting 1 1 and output 1. We can generate our result, that is correct. So I hope now you are able to conduct as many practicals, and first and then again you can go back to the AM theory if you want, or if you want to conduct the another experiment. So you have to go to the list of experiment. Here construction of half adder, full adder, to study the half subtractor and full subtractor, and realization of logic function for help of universal gate. I think all are very easy. You just have to click it. Like I will do one half subtractor and full subtractor for you. Once you connect once you go to it, then go to the simulation, and if you want to perform half subtractor, click it on it. This is a 7 half subtractor with the help of the ICs. You need not to get confused. So half adder, with the help of the ICs. These are the standard ICs which are available in the market, 7486 for XOR gate, and then this is a inverter 7404 and 7408, it is an AND gate. So you see, first of all, this VCC is connected to every VCC 14, 1 and 14. This is a pre decided. This is also 14. Basically 14 number pin is your VCC. You connected all 14 number to the VCC and you provided input to this. If you know the basic circuit of the half adder, I think you can easily understand this. You just need to be connected the circuit on, and when you give input 1 1, input 1 0, then difference is 1, means 1 0, the difference is 1, but you have never carried the borrow. If you put both ones, if you carry both ones, then the difference is 0 and borrow is 0. If you subtract 0 from 1, 0, and yes, this both are 0. When you 0 from 1, then see, borrow is 1 and difference is 1. This is the beauty of this, and you can put it here also by adding simple, and at the end you can take a printout of this. So by this you can conduct a digital electronics lab very easily on virtual lab. I hope you understand this. If you have any problem or any doubt, you can consult me anytime by on clicking on my email ID providing at the bottom of my this video, and I will come back soon with the more informative video, and if you have